Travel blogging, 37 words. Zip lining through the lush rainforest was an unforgettable experience. The adrenaline rush of soaring through the treetops while taking in the stunning views left me breathless. I can't wait to do it again. Vocabularies. Zip lining, lush, rainforest, unforgettable, adrenaline rush, soaring, treetops, stunning views, breathless. Grammar analysis. The sentence structure in this paragraph is simple, consisting mostly of subject-verb-object constructions. There are a few prepositional phrases used to add detail and description. Adjectives are used to describe the rainforest as lush, and the experience as unforgettable. The present participle, soaring, is used to describe the act of zip lining. Comment. This paragraph effectively conveys the excitement and thrill of zip lining through the rainforest. The use of descriptive adjectives and present participle adds to the sense of adventure and sensory experience. Vietnamese translation.
Bay dày thường giữa khu rừng mưa xanh tùm là trải nghiệm khó quên. Cảm giác sốt ruột khi bay trên đỉnh cây và ngắm toàn cảnh đẹp tuyệt vời làm tôi hào hứng khó tả. Tôi không thể chờ đợi để trải nghiệm lại.